Do you like chai lattes? Do you like sugar scrubs? How about combining the two and have a chai latte sugar scrub? Stay tuned and I'll show you how.
Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations.
Hello friends, today we're going to be making another sugar scrub. Today's sugar scrub is chai latte. So let's get started, shall we? So what all goes into the chai latte sugar scrub? 1 tablespoon raw honey, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon almond oil, 1 tablespoon Castile soap, unscented, 1/2 cup cane sugar, finely ground, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon cardamom, 1/2 teaspoon ginger, and you could use dry, that's optional, 1/2 teaspoon cloves, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg. Now, being as we're using real spices and the coconut oil, some people may have sensitivity to that. So if you're going to make this, before you really start using it, do a test patch on that. So you want to put all of the ingredients into a bowl. 1 tablespoon raw honey, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon almond oil, 1 tablespoon Castile soap. I've never seen a sugar scrub that had Castile soap in it, so this might be interesting. 1/2 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. I've already put in 1/2, and there's the other 1/2 for a full teaspoon. 1/2 teaspoon cardamom, 1/2 teaspoon ginger, 1/2 teaspoon cloves, and 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg. And then just go ahead and mix it all up. Until it's all fully incorporated. I'm thinking you could probably take some chai tea and put in here too. That would give it a little bit, maybe more grit to it so you can have a more exfoliating experience. Plus it would make it smell more like chai tea or chai latte. And you want to make sure that the coconut oil is all mixed in. That's what I'm finding. That's the only thing that I'm having a hard time getting mixed in is the coconut oil. Everything else is mixing up nicely. And with this, because of all of the spices and stuff, you want to make sure that you don't actually get any water into the container, because then it will spoil. Otherwise it will last quite a while. To me it kind of smells more like pumpkin pie, which would be okay too. Now a lot of sugar scrubs are good enough to eat, and some people have, tasted them. This one you wouldn't want to because it does have the Castile soap in it. So we'll go ahead and put it into a 1/2 pint jar. And there you have it. And we'll try it out in just a bit. So here is the final product. And you can put like a little bow on it, label and ingredients. And these would make great gifts. Or you can just make some for yourself. So let's try it out and see how well it works. Well, it's definitely has the grit to it like a sugar scrub does. It doesn't spread real easily like most sugar scrubs do. But I'll go ahead and go wash it off and see how my skin feels. Okay, so it does feel nice and smooth. So I think this is a great product. The only thing that you have to remember is not to get any water into the container, because otherwise it will spoil. If you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the bell to get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.